I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by removing anything that can interfere. Detach the type cover, cases, and peripherals so you can access the screen and ports. Next, perform a soft reset. Hold the power button for 30 seconds to clear transient faults, then press power once to boot. Once done, make sure Windows Update is open and check for pending firmware and driver updates. Installing those often fixes touch issues because the system firmware controls the digitizer. Now you'll tackle drivers and system recognition. Open Device Manager and find Human Interface Devices. If the HID-compliant touchscreen is disabled, enable it. If enabled but faulty, uninstall it and then use Scan for hardware changes so Windows redetects the digitizer. Once detected, update the driver automatically. This refreshes the communication between touchscreen hardware and the OS. Also run the Windows hardware troubleshooting. Finish by calibrating the screen. Open Control Panel, choose Tablet PC settings and run Calibrate for touch to align input accurately. Once done, test multiple fingers and apps to verify improvement. If problems persist, create a restore point and try System Restore or use a Surface Recovery image to revert corrupted system files. If nothing works, use an external mouse to continue, and run the Surface Diagnostic Toolkit or Contact Support. This one tip saves time while you gather logs and consider hardware repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.